How to delete your Roblox account permanently. Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process that will lead to the ultimate closure of your Roblox account. By following the exact process that I will detail in this video, I have successfully deleted my Roblox account permanently. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any crucial step in the Roblox account deletion process. And one thing I want to make it clear that actually deleting a Roblox account is not easy and fast. It takes time and patience. In my case, it took me 10 days to delete my Roblox account, and I will share everything you need to know to make this process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. And if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like and dropping a comment. I would greatly appreciate that support. Now without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So to permanently delete your Roblox account, open up any browser on your smartphone, tablet, laptop and desktop and then type Roblox and then go over to official website of Roblox, roblox.com, and you will be landed in the sign up page of Roblox. Now to delete your Roblox account, first you need to log into your Roblox account. So click on login at the top right corner and then log into your Roblox account using your username, email or phone number and password. So here let me log into my Roblox account real quick. Once you logged into your Roblox account, in your Roblox account homepage, click on the settings icon at the top right corner and then click on help and it will bring you to Roblox support page. Now here in this page, click on Roblox account, I need help with my account. And here scroll down to account settings. Now at the very bottom, you would see how do I delete my account. So here click on how do I delete my account. And here you can read, you can request that we delete personal information that we collect or maintain about you. To make a deletion request, please contact us by using our support form and select the desired right to be forgotten option under the data privacy request. To protect your privacy, we'll take steps to verify your identity before fulfilling your request. So here my friend, we need to contact Roblox customer support in order to delete our Roblox account. So now here, click on support form. And it will bring us to the page where we can contact Roblox support in order to delete our Roblox account. Now here, it is the important step. You have to fill up almost every required information of your Roblox account. Now first, as I have been logged into my Roblox account, here it has automatically picked up my username, so I don't need to put it again. And it says username is optional, but I highly recommend you to put your username here. And under that, you have to put your first name. It is also optional, but you need to put your first name as well. And then enter your Roblox email address. And then under that, also confirm that email address. After entering all your contact information, now next you have to select your issue details. And here it says what device you are having the problem on. So here select the device that your Roblox account is signed in with. And my Roblox account is signed in with my Android tablet. So here I'm gonna select Android tablet. If you are signed in with other device, here you have all these options, you can select any of them. After selecting your device, under type of help category, scroll down and select data privacy request. And then importantly under that select right to be forgotten. And now next, the most important thing is the description. You have to clearly describe your issue here in this box. So as you are going to delete your Roblox account, you have to describe why you want to delete your Roblox account. So here I'm writing, dear Roblox team, I am writing this to request you to delete my Roblox account. I have decided to delete my Roblox account for personal reasons. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause, but it is good for me and I would be very happy if you help me in deleting my Roblox account permanently. So your script should be something like this. Don't exactly copy this script, write in your own English language, it will be more better. So after describing your issue, now here click on submit. Now we need to solve a puzzle so that Roblox will know that we are real human. Now here click on start puzzle. And here it says use the arrow to rotate the animal to the face in the direction of the hand. So here let me rotate this animal to face in the direction of this hand. And then let's click on submit. And here it is, verification complete. You are proven you are a human. Continue your action. Now we don't have to do anything. And here you can read, we have a message. Thank you for contacting Roblox. Please check your email for a message from customer service. So here let's click on OK. And now let's check the email that Roblox sent to us. So let me check the email. And here is the mail I got from Roblox. Thank you for contacting Roblox. This is an automated message letting you know that we have received your request. So Roblox has received my request. Now here's some important thing we should keep in our mind before deleting our Roblox account. So here you can read, in order to submit a data privacy request, you must verify ownership of any associated Roblox account. That means your Roblox account. And you must be 30 years of age or older. So make sure you are about 13 years old. And if you are under 13, please have your parent guardian submit a request on your behalf. So you need to do that if you are under 13. You must be based in a jurisdiction that offers requested data privacy rights. Roblox uses a third-party provider to verify if we reside in such a jurisdiction. Do not attach or provide your government ID or other proof of residency in this ticket. And here also some important note I want you to keep in your mind. Roblox will begin reviewing your request, and you have to make sure that you have provided your Roblox username and also you have contacted Roblox from a verified email address associated with that Roblox username. And if you are not contacting Roblox from a verified email address associated with the Roblox username, then you have to resubmit your request using that email address again. And also to ensure the safety and privacy of Roblox user information, Roblox may request further verification of ownership of the Roblox account. And under it we can read, once a right to erasure process has been initiated, the account cannot be reopened or recovered. That means once our Roblox account gets deleted permanently, then we cannot recover that account by any means. Now please reply confirming you acknowledge these requirements and have provided requested information. Once your reply is received, your request will be further reviewed for processing and Roblox will follow up expediently with further details. So now what we have to do, we have to reply to this email and Roblox will review our request for processing and we will receive a follow-up email with further details once our request has been processed. So now my friends, what we have to do, we have to reply to this email that we acknowledge the requirements for data privacy request and confirm that we have provided accurate information. So here let's scroll down and let's click on reply. And here I'm gonna write, dear Roblox team, I acknowledge the requirements for privacy data request and confirm that I have provided requested information. Thank you for time and consideration. And also you have to write something like this. So write you acknowledge their requirements and also you confirm that you have provided requested information. After writing this, we have to send this mail. So let's click on send. After sending this mail, now we have to wait until we receive another follow-up mail from Roblox. So let me wait until I receive another mail from Roblox. So after 3 hours, I got this mail from author Roblox. Hello there. Thank you for contacting us regarding your data privacy request. Please note that we require additional information in order to proceed with your request. And under it, they have mentioned in order to submit a data privacy request, you must provide the username and verify ownership of any associated Roblox account. And here another thing you need to note. Please be aware that username of the account that you are going to delete will not be available for reuse for at least 2 years from the date the account get deleted. So this could be a deal breaker for some people. If you are just deleting your Roblox account in order to create a different one and you are planning to reuse that same username in that account, then you cannot do that. You have to wait 2 years for that. So you need to keep this in your mind before deleting your Roblox account. And now also they have again mentioned that once your reply is received, your request will be further reviewed for processing and Roblox will follow up expediently with further details. Now in this step, again we have to reply to this mail. So here what we need to do, we need to provide our Roblox account's information in order to delete our account. So here again let's reply to this mail. And here I'm writing, dear author and Roblox team, thank you for contacting me. I'm very pleased for your fast response. And then under that, I have provided my Roblox username and then my Roblox account's email address. And also I have mentioned, please let me know if you need any other information from me. Thank you for your time and assistance. So my friends, here you have to provide your Roblox account's username and your Roblox account's email address. And then you have to write something like this. And you have to send this mail. So let me send this mail. And here it is, my email has been sent and now again I have to wait until I receive another follow-up mail from Roblox to this mail. So let me wait. So my friends, 3 days later, I got this mail from Anderson. Hello, thank you for verifying your account ownership. The account HelloChipPro, which is my username, has now been deactivated and closed from access on Roblox. Please note, once a right to erasure request has been initiated, the data erasure is permanent and cannot be reversed. That means once it begins, your Roblox account will be permanently deleted. Now to confirm you are based in a jurisdiction that provides privacy rights and to protect privacy and safety of our users, please visit the following link to confirm your real identity. And this is one of the important steps where we need to verify our identity. And Roblox has partnered with various Verif, a third-party service provider, to verify the identity of account owners who wish to process data privacy requests. And also note that the government-issued ID is required to upload for verification. For more information on Verif's data privacy practices, you can click here and read all those information. And once we have completed this ID verification process, we need to reply to this email to confirm. So now guys, we need to verify our identity. And to verify your identity in this page, click on ID verification. And that will bring you to this page where you can verify your identity. And here you have to prepare a valid document and make sure that is not expired or physically damaged. And also you need to use a smartphone in order to continue. And my friends, for document you can use your passport, national ID card, driving license, PAN card, etc. And different countries have different government issue ID. So you have to provide your ID based on your country. In case of our country, India, here we have so many options like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, and much more. So you can also provide your voter ID card as well. Now here we have two ways to verify our identity. In the first option, we can scan this QR code with our camera app. And in the second option, we can send a link using our phone number. So you can choose any of these option, it doesn't matter. Here I'm gonna scan this QR code using my smartphone with a QR code scanner app. So if your camera doesn't have any scanner option in your smartphone, then you can download any QR code scanner app from Play Store or App Store and you can continue this process. And also at the bottom, one more thing they have mentioned, if you do not have any smartphone, you can also continue with your current device. So if you don't have any smartphone, you can continue with your current device as well. But I highly recommend you to use your smartphone so that you can easily scan this QR code or you can send a link via SMS. So now let me scan this QR code. So on my smartphone, I have downloaded a QR scanner app and let's open this and let's scan this barcode. Now in order to verify our identity, we need to open this link. So here you can copy this link and open in a different browser. But here we have an open option. So let's click on open. And then I'm gonna open with Chrome. And here we can get verified. Now before you start, prepare a valid government issued ID and make sure you are in a well-lit place. Means your face and ID should be properly visible, and be prepared to take a selfie and photo of your ID. Now here let's click on let's go. And then here click on allow. And here first it says take a photo of your documents photo page. So let me take a photo of my documents page where also my photo is placed. After taking photo of your documents photo page, now turn your ID card around and also take a photo of that page. Now next, you need to take a selfie and make sure that your face is in this frame and it should be clearly visible. So let me take a simple selfie of my face accordingly. And here it is, thank you. Your verification data has been successfully submitted. So if you do correctly, your verification will be easily successful. And on my tablet, also you can see verification has been successfully submitted. Now once you have done this ID verification process, now next again, we have to reply to the previous mail from Roblox. Now let's go to the last mail where they say to verify our identity. And here this is the mail. We have already done this ID verification process. Now we need to reply to this email. So let's click on reply. And here you can write something like, I have submitted my ID verification to Verif. Please let me know if you have any questions or need any additional information. I also confirm that I would like to have my Roblox account HelloChip Pro permanently deleted. Thank you for your time and assistance. So you need to write something like this, that you have submitted your ID verification and you confirm that you want to delete your Roblox account. So after writing this mail, let's click on send. And there it is, I have sent the mail. So after sending this mail, now we need to wait until we receive another mail from Roblox. So let me wait. Okay, so 2 hours later, I got this mail from Tony Roblox. Hello there. Thank you for verifying your identity. We are currently processing your request as expediently as possible and will follow up once it is complete. We appreciate your patience. So once our request gets completed, we'll receive another follow-up email to this. So let me wait until I receive another follow-up email from Roblox. Now in the meantime, let's try to log into Roblox if they have started the data erasure request or not. So I'm in the login page, and now here let me log into my Roblox account using my username and password. And here it is, once I try to log into my Roblox account, it says account deleted. Our content monitors have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of our terms. And under it says account has been closed, your account has been terminated. And actually I might have made some mistake after starting the deletion process. That's the reason why here it says your behavior at Roblox has been in violation. So actually my account has not been permanently deleted. I need to wait until I receive another mail where Roblox will confirm that they have deleted my account permanently. So let me wait until I receive the confirmation mail. And 5 days later, my friends, I got this mail from Roblox Mike. Hello, your request from this date verified on this customer support ticket number has been completed. And actually it is a very long email. I want you to read this. But basically this email confirms that Roblox has processed our request to delete our account. However, Roblox is required to keep certain account information for safety and legal compliance reasons. And this information includes your username, phone number, email, Roblox ID, IP, and MAC addresses, web chat history, and game chat history for another 2 years. And they will also retain any information regarding any monetary transactions that we have made on the services. And this is perfectly normal because it is in line with their data protection law, and their compliance are allowed to retain personal data for as long as necessary for the purpose of which it was collected, or for as long as required by law. And the good news is that Roblox will actually restrict access to this data and keep it separated from other data. And only a very limited group of people will be able to access this data. And as for the third-party recipients of our personal data, Roblox has also informed that our right to erase a request. However, Roblox is not responsible for how these third-party data collectors process our personal data. Overall, this email clearly explains that Roblox have done with our data and why they have retained certain information. And they also reassure that they have taken steps to protect our data and that they are complying with the data protection laws. So in summary, our Roblox account has been deleted, but certain personal data will be retained for specific purpose and durations. And if you want to ensure the protection of your privacy, then you can follow the additional step mentioned here. But it is not that important as our account has been successfully deleted. So after this, I think we will not receive any email from Roblox regarding this account deletion. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna check whether our Roblox account has been permanently deleted or not. So let's go to the Roblox sign-in page. So now I'm in the Roblox sign-in page, and here first let me enter my email or username. Here I'm gonna enter email address of my Roblox account, and then let me enter my password. And let's click on login. And there it is, it says incorrect email or password. That means, my friend, my Roblox account has been permanently deleted. So it took me 10 days to delete my Roblox account permanently. And if you are watching this video till now, thank you very much. And I request you to hit the like button and leave a comment for YouTube algorithm so that this video will reach to more people who actually want to delete their Roblox account. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can close or delete your Roblox account permanently. And if you found this video helpful, please do leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to see more Roblox related videos, then subscribe to this channel and don't turn on notification so my other irrelevant videos will not disturb you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.